Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be predicting the price movement of CoreWeave stock. I'm a swing trader, and I don't consider price changes a month in advance. This channel only provides short-term price predictions, typically 1 to 3 weeks. Please subscribe to this channel. Over the past week, CoreWeave stock has shown very clear bullish resistance against bears, indicating a counterattack by the bulls. However, because the bearish pressure hasn't fully dissipated and bullish sentiment hasn't significantly increased, the bulls haven't completely gained the upper hand. So, is there room for further rebound? Looking at the 30-minute chart, we can see that starting November 11th, the stock experienced a significant sell-off, with a large amount of capital exiting the market, causing the price to continue its downward correction, and the bulls completely lost their advantage. On November 20th, the stock experienced a second wave of sell-off, but subsequently, the price found support at $65.20 and rebounded. On November 25th, the price again found support at $65.20 and rebounded. This suggests that this price level is a key support level. Of course, we also see significant resistance above the current price level. A large number of trapped positions at higher levels will continue to put pressure on any rebound, but the bullish forces driving the price higher may still push it further up. Through the position distribution, we can see that the stock has accumulated some positions in the $82.20 to $65.20 range, which may be a signal of bullish capital entering the stock. The current price is in the middle of this range, indicating that the stock is still supported by bullish forces, so further price increases are still reasonable. However, there are also a large number of positions above $82.20, which will undoubtedly pose a significant obstacle to any rebound. But since the stock has already fallen considerably and profit-taking has widened significantly, the stock may still experience a technical rebound, but the upside potential may be limited. Let's return to the stock's daily chart. Recent reports indicate that Cathie Wood's ARK Invest ETF has continued to increase its holdings of CoreWeave, demonstrating its growing confidence in this cloud infrastructure company focused on artificial intelligence. In its latest filing on November 25th, ARK purchased 396,198 shares of CRWV Stock, worth approximately $28.2 million. Fund flow data also indicates a recent increase in net capital inflows into the stock, suggesting potential buying interest. This also suggests the stock has fallen too much recently, and the market urgently needs a price correction. But this does not necessarily mean the stock has sustained upward momentum. In November, the stock fell by a significant 45%. Indicating continued investor concerns about the company's operations, primarily for 3 reasons. First, high debt and widening losses. As of September 30th, CoreWeave's total debt reached approximately $14 billion, resulting in an unsustainable debt-to-equity ratio. Despite strong revenue growth, the company's expenses have surged, leading to persistent operating and net losses. Second, customer concentration risk. CoreWeave derives 77% of its revenue from 2 customers, Microsoft and OpenAI. This high dependence carries risks, which increase if key customers are lost or contracts are renegotiated. Thirdly, there are concerns about massive investments and valuations. Capital expenditures are projected to reach $20 billion to $23 billion this year alone. Delays, supply chain issues, and construction challenges all add to the risks. For a company that is not yet profitable, the November plunge may have pushed the stock price back to a normal range, but the current price of $73 per share still seems to present some selling pressure. Is it possible that the stock will fall below $65.20 in the future? I think it is still possible. Technical analysis summary. Although there are clear signals of bullish capital resisting bearish forces recently, the key resistance level for this stock is also very clear. Due to the lack of catalysts to drive the stock price up, this rebound may only be technical, so the upside potential may be limited. My previous prediction was that this rebound could rise to around $90, but currently, it seems that there is still significant resistance to the stock reaching that level in the short term. Therefore, to be conservative, I've set my target price in the $82.20 to $90 range. Once the stock price breaks above $82.20, the downward pressure could increase significantly. If selling pressure is heavy, the stock could potentially pull back again. Of course, the bulls also have a chance to repel the bears above $65.20. Okay guys, that's my price prediction for CoreWeave stock. Thanks for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.